Good morning, kiddos. Happy Friday. Today is March 12th. And you know why 12 is cool? Because 6 plus 6 equals 12. Watch this. We're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to count 6 again. So we're going to start 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's number 12. 1, 2, 12. Guess what? On a clock, there are, let's count how many numbers are on a clock. Can we do it? Yes, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, wait, look at that. I'll hold it right underneath. 12, 12. Can we count up to 12 again? This is so much fun having the clock here. Clock. I think that starts with the same letter as cat. What letter is that? Clock, cat. Can you figure that one out? What letter do you think it is? Did you answer? I think it's letter C. C says clock, cat. All right, let's count up to 12 again. All right, we're going to start where? At 1. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You did that so well. I'm so impressed with you. I'm going to stick this back over there. And the next thing that I want to talk about is we're thinking about clothes that you need to wear when you go out into the snow. So I'm going to put on something and you tell me what it's called and what letter it starts with. Now, if I put on this, what do you call that? Do you call it a beanie? That would start with a B. Or what else can you call it? What can go on top of your head? Could it be a hat? That starts with H. Good job. Ooh, I have another thing that I put on when I go out when it's cold. I put on a scarf. Let's see. What letter says S like snake, like snow? S. That is letter S. S is for scarf and snake and snow. What else should I put on? What should I put on to keep my hands warm? Can I put on gloves? Ooh, I can. What letter does gloves start with? G. Remember, G makes two different sounds. There's J and there's G. So I think we have the right letter for this. It's G. Let me see. I'm going to write down G. You tell me. Is that right? Is that a G? Yay! It is. All right. What else could I put on my hands if I didn't have gloves? Are there something else that I can wear? Are they called mittens? Mittens. Yes, you're right. What letter does mittens start with? Does it start with letter P? No, they're not called pittons. They're called mittens. You are right. Letter M. Good job. There is no fooling you, smart kid. All right. I think I have one more thing that I would put on if I was going outside. And that would be my jacket. Jacket. Let me figure out, what letter would that be? I'm gonna try to be tricky here. Okay, there's J. No, it's not J. Are you sure? What letter is this? It's R. You mean R like rainbow on my scarf? Oh, that's R. That's not jacket. Is that jacket? J for jacket? Oh, I hope so. And hopefully all my letters aren't backwards. That would be a little bit rough. So, kiddos, we just talked about snow gear. What season is that? Is that winter, spring, summer, or autumn? Which one? When does snow fall? When is it the darkest part of the year? That's winter. That's when all the leaves fall off the trees. And sometimes we get snow, which is fantastic. What is coming up in only, I believe, 8 short days? We're going to get the next season. We'll be in the next season. What is the next season? Is it going to be, we're in winter. Will it be spring? Will it be summer? Will it be autumn? Well, if you're not sure, let's use some deductive reasoning. So winter is when all the leaves fall off the trees. So this tree is already covered with leaves. And you have to have some time to grow new leaves, right? And this season is when all the leaves fall off the tree. What about this one? Oh, this looks like new green leaves are growing on a tree. It must be spring. Spring is going to be the next season that we go into, and only 8 more days. Let's count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got to number 8. So, I want to talk with you about our poem. Which one do you think I'm talking about? Do you think I'm talking about climbing aboard a spaceship? Where are we going to go? We are going to go to the moon. So, climb aboard your spaceship. We're going to the moon. Hurry and get ready. We're gonna blast off soon. Put on your helmet and buckle up real tight. 'Cause here comes the countdown. So count with all your might. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! There it goes. Were you able to help count down? Are you getting really good at counting down from 10? Oh, fantastic. Here, we can even do it on our fingers because we just did 8, but we can do 10 because we are so smart. Are you ready to count down from 10? Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. So cool. Alrighty, we did not have a chance to go over some color songs yesterday. Do you feel like singing about purple? Oh, I hope so. I feel like singing about purple. I don't even know. I do. I have purple on my scarf. That is not purple. This is a little bit mixed up. Let's get it all straightened out so we got all the letters in the right order and you can see all of them. There we go. And I do have purple on my scarf right there. Are you ready? Thumbs up. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Purple grapes on the vine, purple punch is fine. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Twice. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Purple grapes on the vine, purple punch is fine. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Yes! Good job! What about, what about this color right here? There's two of the same, different hues but same color. It almost looks black, but it's actually navy. It's dark blue, and that's aqua, which is light blue. So let's sing the blue song. B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? The big sky is blue. The ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? Let's do it twice. B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? Beautiful! Wait. Blue and beautiful both start with letter B. Yes! Good job! All right, here is another color that is right there. Do you know what color that is? Good job. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. Fire trucks are red. Stop signs are red too. R-E-D. R-E-D. Good job. Let's do it twice. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. Fire trucks are red. Stop signs are red too. R-E-D. R-E-D. Beautiful. Very, very good. Oh, can I think of a word that starts with R? That was really fantastic. Because really starts with R. So, did you guys like our song about standing outside in different weather? Like, if all of the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, singing, ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. If all of the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, singing, ah, 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 ah. If all of the snowflakes were chocolate bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. If all of the sunbeams were bubble gum and ice cream, oh, what a sun that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, singing ah, 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 ah. If all of the sunbeams were bubble gum and ice cream, oh, what a sun that would be. Wow, great job. Hey, speaking of snowflakes, do you see snowflakes behind me? How many do you see? I'm going to count on my fingers in my head. Did I get that right? Let's count together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the seventh one is right near the clock. All right, kiddos. I want to read you a book because snow and rain are both forms of water. Water. There's our W. So this is Water Can Be. And it's by Laura Purdy Salas. Illustrations by Violetta de Bija. All right, let's find out more about what water can be. I bet it can be so many things. I'm going to turn you a little bit. Hey. Water is water. It's puddle and pond and sea. When springtime comes splashing, the water flows free. And it's almost spring, isn't it? Like we said, 8 more days. Water can be a tadpole hatcher. Do you see that? So that's when frog eggs become tadpoles and then they become frogs. So this is in the spring when the tadpoles are out. It can be a picture catcher. Oh, look, the girl sees her reflection in the puddle. It can be an otter feeder, a downhill speeder. It can be a garden soaker. Look at that garden. Is that how your garden's going to look? Oh, that would be fun if that's how my garden was going to look too. It can be a valley cloaker. Do you see all this? What is that? That's fog. That's water as well. It can be a thirst quencher. Ooh, that's a good way to say that the deer is very thirsty and the water is quenching its thirst. Can be a kid drencher. Who's played in the sprinklers? Yay! It can be a drink cooler. It can be a rainbow jeweler. Ooh. It can be a homemaker. That's all of the sea creatures' home, isn't it? It can be a ship breaker. Ooh, stormy seas. Water is water. It's fog and frost and sea. And when autumn comes chasing, water can be a cloud fluffer, a fire snuffer. It can be a school drinker, a bruise shrinker. That's a bag of ice, isn't it? It can be a salmon highway or an eagle flyway. Is that our river? That might be our river. Ooh, I think, have we gone into winter here? It's getting pretty snowy. It can be a storm creator. It can be a decorator. Look at the frost on the window. Isn't that lovely? It can be a woodchuck warmer. Look at that. The ice is on the ground and it's creating a nice layer of insulation that's keeping this woodchuck warm in its blanket of leaves. It can be a snowman former. Who made a snowman this week? Did you? How fun. Water is water. It's ice and snow and sea. Now go and discover what else it can be. That's so neat. So water can be all of those different things. Incredible. All right, my friends. Have a wonderful weekend. That's going to be Saturday and Sunday. And I will see you again on Monday. Ooh, Monday starts with M. So I will see you next week. Mwah! Happy weekend, friends.